Howdy guys, in today's video we're gonna have a quick overlook of RouterCAM in CorelDraw, and this will be for the trial version. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back to the tutorial here. So now once we've started CorelDraw, we'll be obviously met by the welcome screen. I'm just going to add a new document. Now I'm just going to leave it at its default. Now once it's started, in order to locate the tool, because normally it'll be showing you on the right, to do that we want to go to tools on top on your main menu, and then we go to RouterCAM. You'll see it says 3.38. Just make a quick zoom of that. As you can see that. So once again, it'll be on the tools, RouterCAM. And then once we click this, it will open it here on our right. Now by default, you will see we have 3 panels available. So we've got the basically the workspace, you can say. We've got the toolpath and the CN program. Oh, sorry, NC program. Now, something to keep in mind, this is a trial version. You will have to first activate it to get all the features. So this will have a lot of limitations. But yeah, so just keep that in mind. Like especially when it comes to the NC program, a lot of these features are disabled in the trial version. So now if I had to just put a basic shape in here. Now the first one, this is basically your project's dimensions. So this is not the selected item. Selected item, you'll be sitting here in the program like usual. So here on the right, this is for your project, you can say. Next up, we've got some toolpaths. So now this will vary depending on what you select. So you'll see if I had to go contour milling, if I had to click that one, you'll see now suddenly on the left here, we have more options we can set. So you can go into a lot of depth with the way you want to do it. Obviously, yeah, each one of these settings has their own settings, or each one of these tools, you can say. And then last up, we have the NC program, which is this is a lot to do with G scripting and so forth. And at the bottom here, we've got a 3D version. If you right click, you can move around. You can make it full screen and so forth, or just say large. And then under that, we can see here we've got, it says here trial version. Now there is another way to see if it's a trial version or not. Is this little icon here that's for the settings. So if we had to click that, then we can see on top here it says also trial version. So if we zoom in there. Now yeah, under the settings we have a few different things we can cover, but we will leave that for another video. Then also over here, right on top, you guys will see profiles. So you can set up custom profiles. There's a default XYZ, but you can set up custom profiles so that yeah, if you have different settings and so forth, you can quickly just switch between them over here. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the trial version. It's just a basic overview. Like I said, the main thing to keep in mind, it's got way more limitations than the actual paid version. We'll show you guys how to activate it in another version, but that is it for now. Otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.